I genuinely lost count of how many boxes of this I've ordered. This is by Amazon vanilla flavored coffee capsules, and it's become my non-negotiable coffee. I always keep a backup stash sitting right here because running out is simply not an option for me. Every time one box finishes, another one is already on its way. These are aluminum capsules, fully compatible with Nespresso original machines. 20 capsules per box, so it lasts a good couple of weeks depending on how much coffee I'm drinking. It's Rainforest Alliance certified, which means the coffee is sourced more responsibly. So it's a small thing, but it makes me feel a little better about my daily coffee habit. Look at this vanilla aroma just from the capsule alone. It's rich, it's warm, and it smells almost like dessert before I've even made a drop. Honestly, I wish I could send you the smell through the screen right now. Now let's make one. I pop the capsule straight into my machine, nice and simple. Within seconds, that vanilla scent completely fills the kitchen. This is genuinely one of my favorite parts of my morning routine. There's something about that first press of the button that just makes the day feel like it's starting right. Look at that crema. It's exactly what I want to see. It's warm, comforting, and honestly tastes like a little treat every single time I make it. Even on my busiest mornings, this 5 minutes feels like mine. Just look how rich and creamy that looks already. It's the little ritual that turns an ordinary morning into something I actually look forward to. If you love vanilla coffee, you genuinely need to try this one. I make this every single day, sometimes twice if I'm being honest.